Question number 1. Which position is best to prevent aspiration in an unconscious patient? Correct option is C. Lateral position. Question number 2. What is the first sign of hypoxia in a patient? Correct option is D. Restlessness. Question number 3. Which artery is preferred for checking blood pressure? Correct option is D. Brachial artery. Question number 4. Which lab value indicates infection in a patient? Correct option is A. Increased white blood cells. Question number 5. Which hormone maintains pregnancy throughout gestation? Correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 6. Why is oxytocin given after placenta delivery? Correct option is C. Prevent hemorrhage. Question number 7. Which level of prevention includes immunization to prevent disease? Correct option is A. Primary level. Question number 8. Which ethical principle allows patients to make their own health decision? Correct option is B. Autonomy. Question number 9. Which vaccine is given at birth to prevent tuberculosis? Correct option is B. BCG vaccine. Question number 10. Which symptoms suggest hypoglycemia in a diabetic patient? Correct option is A. Sweating. Question number 11. Where should IV fluids be administered first in shock? Correct option is C. Large vein. Question number 12. Which vital sign indicates cardiac arrest in adult? Correct option is C. No pulse. Question number 13. Which IV solution is ideal for hypothalamic shock? Correct option is B. Normal saline. Question number 14. Which position is best for administering enemas to adult patient? Correct option is D. Left lateral. Question number 15. Which sign is earliest in hypothalamic shock? Correct option is A. Tachycardia. Question number 16. Why are compression stocking used in immobile patient? Correct option is B. Prevent deep vein thrombosis. Question number 17. Which medication is commonly used to lower fever? Correct option is C. Antipyretic medication. Question number 18. Why is IV drug administration preferred in emergencies? Correct option is D. Because it affects rapid. Question number 19. Which drug is used as an antidote for heparin overdose? Correct option is A. Protamine. Question number 20. When is insulin usually administered to diabetic patient? Correct option is C. Before meals. Question number 21. Which drug class is used to treat bacterial infection? Correct option is B. Antibiotics. Question number 22. Why is head elevation recommended for patients with increased intracranial pressure? Correct option is D. Venous drainage. Question number 23. When should complementary feeding begin in infant? Correct option is C. 6 months. Question number 24. When does the fundus reach the umbilicus during pregnancy? Correct option is D. 20 weeks. Question number 25. Which disease is preventable with vaccine? Correct option is A. TB. Question number 26. Which level of prevention treats disease after it occurs? Correct option is B. Secondary. Question number 27. Why is health education important in community nursing? Correct option is C. Because it prevents disease. Question number 28. Which family planning method is permanent? Correct option is D. Sterilization. Question number 29. Which is the first nursing action in shock management? Correct option is B. Oxygen. Question number 30. Who is the leader in a hospital ward team? Correct option is C. Head nurse. Question number 31. Why is accurate documentation important in nursing? Correct option is D. For all of the above. Question number 32. Which personal equipment, protective equipment item is removed first after patient care? Correct option is B. Gloves. Question number 33. Which drug is used as an antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Naloxone. Question number 34. Which medication is given during anaphylactic shock? Correct option is A. Adrenaline. Question number 35. Which is a common side effect of antibiotics? Correct option is B. Diarrhea. Question number 36. Which is the best nutrition for infants up to 6 months? Correct option is C. Breast milk. Question number 37. Why is suicide risk high in depressed patient? Correct option is B. Hopelessness. Question number 38. Which neurotransmitter imbalance is linked to depression? Correct option is A. Serotonin. Question number 39. Which intervention is priority in suicidal patient care? Correct option is the close observation. Question number 40. which is an example of secondary prevention? Correct option is A. Screening. Question number 41. Which population is at highest risk of communicable disease? Correct option is B. Children. Question number 42. Which action prevents spread of infection in the community? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 43. Which artery is checked during adult CPR? Correct option is C. Carotid. Question number 44. Which symptom indicates airway obstruction in adult? Correct option is A. Stridor. Question number 45. Why is informed consent important before procedures? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 46. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps? Correct option is B. Hypokalemia. Question number 47. What is the normal heart rate of a newborn? Correct option is C. 120 to 160 beats per minute. Question number 48. Which hormone stimulates milk let down reflex? Correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 49. Which nursing intervention is first for a patient with sudden hypotension? Correct option is B. IV fluids. Question number 50. What is the normal adult oxygen saturation? Correct option is C. 95 to 100%. Question number 51. Which is the priority nursing assessment for chest pain? Correct option is C. ECG. Question number 52. Which site is preferred for subcutaneous injection? Correct option is A. Abdomen. Question number 53. Which electrolyte imbalance causes cardiac arrhythmias? Correct option is A. Hyperkalemia. Question number 54. Which symptom is common in anxiety disorder? Correct option is D. Rapid heartbeat. Question number 55. Which nutritional deficiency causes goiter? Correct option is B. Iodine. Question number 56. Which action prevent infection spread in communities? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 57. Why is health education important in communities? Correct option is A. Prevent disease. Question number 58. Which artery is checked during infant CPR? Correct option is G. Brachial artery. Question number 59. Which priority nursing action is drowning patient? Correct option is B, CPR. Question number 60. Which intervention prevents pressure ulcer in immobile patient? Correct option is A, frequent turning.